This repair is for an exterior door handle on the 2007 Kia Spectra 5. My door handle snapped right off in my hand. The instructions in this video probably work for the Spectra sedan as well. And if you're trying to repair your window, this shows you how to access it. So this is the replacement handle that I bought on Amazon. It was only 11 bucks. Taking the door panel off is what you need to do to access the handle on the outside. So to do that, you're going to start by removing these tabs here. I believe there's 3 of those, and they are Phillips head. You pry the side armrest off. Probably use a pry bar rather than a screwdriver like I did, but it pops up, and then that exposes 2 Phillips screws that are behind that you then need to remove those. That one there, and then that one. Over on the interior door handle, pry back that to expose those 2 Phillips screws. And then this whole outer plastic plate, you have to take that out too. At this point, with a little wiggling, the entire door lifts up and off. So if you're working on your window, you look at this part here. You want to make sure that actuator is not bent. And then also, in my case, when my window broke, it was that those white clips one of them had come undone, and I had to re-bond it. If you're repairing the exterior door handle, that is this up here. It's 2 10mm bolts, and they're very difficult to get at. And then you have to sort of pry and jimmy the new handle to get it to snap in. And then, of course, when you're done, everything is going to be reversed. One of the most difficult things is putting the plastic back on the door because it gets all bunched up. I replaced this part too. This was the little part that you can see it right there. It goes over the keyhole, but I didn't actually need to replace that. I did it anyway, and then put the whole door back on by reversing the process. Anyways, I hope that helped. If you have any questions, ask. I know it wasn't the greatest video. It's difficult to film behind there because it's so dark, but if you have any questions, please ask me and I will try to help out. Thank you.